If we go to the depressions tool, this should show us all of the depressions that are on this surface. So it'll spit them all out like that. Now the drama we have here is that all of these depressions are linked and flooded in. So you can do single depression measurement by clicking on a depression. So this one's isolated out. You can see the polygons going around it. Now this whole area is 31.1 megaliters and it covers 3.42 hectares. So this is the single depression, or if you go to the whole field, it'll show you all of the depressions that are on this entire surface. But single depression will show one isolated area. So if I click on this bit here, so it's 9.1 megaliters and it's almost a hectare, just that section there. And you can click across all of your depressions to get individual measurements. Now, if this doesn't work for you, so say we want to just measure what's inside this one dam area here, the trick to doing that is we go to that depression layer, come to our boundaries tool, make sure we've got no other boundaries selected or checked, create a polygon around just the dam or just the area that we want to measure. Come back to our surfaces, make sure our surface doesn't have the D icon to indicate it's a design surface. So if you need to change that, you come to layer and you make it a base surface. Ensure that you change it back to design if you do modify the surface type. So select the surface that we want to measure. We go to our surface design tool, duplicate, click inside the boundary we just created. We create a duplicate of just that dam area. And now we can use the depression tool to measure just that dam. So it'll tell me that it's 722.4 cubic meters. If we go to single depression and click on it, it'll give us 0.7 megaliters, it's 0.07 hectares, and it'll give us the plot of volume. Give you all the stats based on depth, volume. That's it.